This is the tutorial on how to use Google Doc. Okay, let's see. Google Doc is Google's cloud-based word processing service, and ordinary users use the Google Doc service for free from the site doc.google.com or via Google Drive. Google Doc allows users to work on documents together or collaborate in real time. Users are also free to do permissions, whether other users can edit or only view. The Google Doc system also shows activity logs of each edit or revision. So this is how the tutorial on how to use Google Docs. So you just type Google Docs on your web browser and then you select the Google Docs, right click and then enter, and you will see, and this is appearance of the page of docs.google.com. In this case I have connected my Gmail account, so automatically I can enter the page of the Google Docs page, and there are many templates from Google Docs such as blank, project proposal, resume, letter, brochure, and report, and many more. So this is so interesting. I think that Google Docs also gives us many templates to make some documents, to make some interesting documents. So in these occasions I would like to give you some examples to use Google Docs using one of many templates here. So I just want to use resume template. So okay, we click the resume. So the page will appear. There are the title of the paragraph and etc. So you need to change, if you have some need to change the title of the paragraph. So for example, I want to choose this title of the page and then change into my article. For the title of the files, you can also change the title of the files on the left top corner. I want to change from reason into also my article. Okay, finish. The title of the paragraph and also the title of the file are successful to change. And after this, next I will type introductions, body, and conclusion. This is just for the examples. So firstly, the title of the article. So we will click title. We will select the type of the font. In this case I will use Georgia as the type of the font, Georgia. And the font size I will change into 14, and then the center alignment. And after this we click title over here, and then update title to match. So this is used to when we will create the title of the paragraph, the setting will be the same like we've created in this my article. So you will have some similar or the same settings for every the title of paragraph. And then for next introduction, body and conclusions, we will click subtitle and then we select the Georgia font and the font size. We will use 12 font size and then click subtitle again and then update subtitle to match. This is used and when we will create the introduction, body or conclusion, so the settings will be the same by the previous settings. So for example, I wanna type body and then I will click apply subtitle and automatically the font will be Georgia fonts and the font size will be 12, and then we will make some bold for this part, and after be bold I will give you some examples to create the contents of introduction. For instance, I will type input text. Okay, and then we will choose normal text. Okay, on this part we will choose normal text and then apply normal text, and then we will select the Georgia font and the font size will be 12 and update normal text to match. Well, okay, this is change. The font size will be 12, and I want to give you some examples to voice typing. So you just click tools and then select voice typing. So the appearance on your page will be a microphone of this, and if we click that, I want to give you some example when we speak with voice typing. So my voice will be or will become text. For example, hello. Okay, you can see on this page, on this article page, to be converted into text. So this is so interesting when you want to make some voices and then your voices will be converted into text. Okay, it's so interesting tools. Okay, that's that's the way. Just click tools and then voice typing. Okay, I want to give you some examples, another examples for these tools. Click to speak. Okay, click to speak. The color will be red, and then take. Hello. Okay, well, that's the method or the example to convert the voice into text on the Google Docs. And after this, I will give you the examples to input image or to insert image from Google Docs. Okay, sorry, I'm sorry, it's wrong to click this. Okay, just click insert and then you select image and upload from computer. So you have some choices. So upload your image from your computer into this Google Docs. Okay, we will choose our image first, and after choosing the image, so we will look for first the image that we want to upload. Okay, I choose this image, the cartoon, student studying the text, just like this, and I want to give you some examples to input table, insert, and then choose table, and you can make some tables here based on your want or your will, based on your need, and the table is successfully added into the Google Docs. So the interesting thing on Google Docs, we can collaborate together in real time with our team, with our colleagues, having the same links from our Google Docs. So if I or if you type on this Google Docs, for everybody that have this link can make some changes, can view, and also can. So okay, I want to give you some general access to make our colleagues or friends to access just anyone with the link, and whether our friends can view or can give some comments or edit our Google Docs. So we can select, for example, I want to click the editor. So our team having some links from our Google Docs can edit the docs together. This Google Doc also automatically saved without clicking file or control S and then save. So if we write or we make or we create from this page, this is automatically saved. So you can see last edit was seconds ago. Save to drive. This automatically, the file will be saved automatically to our Google Drive. Okay, this is real time. For example, we will type no or number and the name, and okay, you can see last edit was seconds ago. From this, our colleagues having our link from our Google Docs can view or can see our edited Google Docs and who the person edited these Google Docs. So that's interesting tools from Google Docs. And then we can also share our Google Docs by clicking file and then share. And there are two choices, share with others and public to web. And also this is very useful and make it easier our job, our works by using these Google Docs, especially when we have some problem, I think, with our college by the distance. So by using Google Docs, we can collaborate together with our friends or our colleagues or our team directly by using Google Docs. Okay, that's all. I think enough for the tutorial how to use Google Docs from your Google account. Thank you and see you on the next video.